In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to emails in Microsoft Outlook. Let's start right inside Outlook. With the app open, go to your inbox and click on the message you want to respond to. You can open it fully in its own window or view it in the reading pane. Either way works the same for replying. Once the message is in view, look for the reply options. You'll see them right at the top of the email window, and you'll also find them on the Home tab of the toolbar. They're easy to spot and available from both places, so you can reply from wherever you're working. You have two main choices: Reply and Reply All. Reply sends your response only to the original sender. This is great for one-to-one conversations or when your message doesn't need to involve anyone else. Reply All sends your response to everyone included on the email, including people who were CC'd. Use this when your answer affects the whole group or when the sender expects a team-wide response. If you're ever unsure, lean toward Reply to keep the conversation focused, and only use Reply All when it's necessary to keep everyone in the loop.